What is the primary purpose of the controlling function in management? The primary purpose of controlling is to ensure that the performance of employees and the organization aligns with established goals and standards. It helps managers identify any deviations from the plan and take corrective actions when necessary. What are the three main steps involved in the controlling process? The three main steps in the controlling process are establishing performance standards, comparing actual performance against those standards, taking corrective action when necessary. Why is planning important for effective control? Planning is important for effective control because it provides the necessary performance standards or objectives against which actual performance can be measured. Without a plan, it would be difficult to know what success looks like. What is a performance audit and how does it relate to controlling? A performance audit is a review process that evaluates how well an organization is achieving its goals. It relates to controlling by providing insights into areas that may need improvement, helping managers make informed decisions to enhance performance. How can budgets serve as a traditional control technique in organizations? Budgets serve as a control technique by outlining expected income and expenses, allowing organizations to track spending and ensure they do not overspend. They provide a financial framework to measure performance against. What types of measurements can be used to assess performance in an organization? Performance can be measured through financial statements, sales reports, production results, customer satisfaction surveys, and formal performance appraisals. Each of these methods provides different insights into how well the organization is doing. What role does corrective action play in the controlling process? Corrective action is crucial in the controlling process as it allows managers to address any discrepancies between actual performance and standards. By making necessary adjustments, managers can steer the organization back on track toward achieving its goals. How do performance standards influence employee motivation in the controlling process? Performance standards provide clear expectations for employees, which can enhance motivation. When employees understand what is expected of them and how their performance will be evaluated, they are more likely to strive to meet or exceed those standards. Why is it important for organizations to anticipate potential challenges during the planning process? Anticipating potential challenges during the planning process is important because it allows organizations to develop proactive strategies and solutions. This preparation can minimize disruptions and ensure smoother implementation of plans. In what ways can managers foster a positive working environment during the leading process? Managers can foster a positive working environment by recognizing and encouraging employee achievements, providing support and direction when needed, and using positive reinforcement to motivate employees. This approach helps build a strong team and promotes productivity. Discuss the importance of the planning function in management and how it impacts organizational success. Planning is a critical function of management that involves setting goals and outlining the steps to achieve those goals. It provides direction and clarity to the organization, ensuring that everyone understands their roles in achieving common objectives. Effective planning enables managers to anticipate potential challenges and devise strategies to mitigate risks. For instance, in a company like ZI College, strategic planning helps them define their vision of becoming a regional higher education institution. By analyzing their resources and the educational landscape, they can set realistic milestones and action plans. This foresight allows the organization to remain competitive and adaptive to changes in the environment, ultimately leading to long-term success. Moreover, planning encourages resource allocation, ensuring that human, financial, and material resources are utilized efficiently. When managers create detailed action plans, including deadlines and milestones, it promotes accountability within the team. Overall, the planning function lays the groundwork for all other management activities, making it indispensable for achieving organizational success. Explain the concept of organizing in management and its significance in achieving organizational objectives. Organizing is the management function that focuses on developing an organizational structure and allocating resources to accomplish objectives effectively. This process involves defining roles, responsibilities, and relationships within the organization, ensuring that everyone is aligned with the overall goals. The significance of organizing lies in its ability to create clarity and order within the company. When managers design individual jobs and departmental structures, they facilitate coordination and communication. For example, in a manufacturing company, organizing may involve clustering jobs into departments such as production, quality control, and logistics. This structure ensures that teams work collaboratively towards common objectives, streamlining operations. Moreover, organizing helps managers respond to changing business environments. By being flexible and adapting the organizational structure, companies can pivot quickly when faced with new challenges or opportunities. Ultimately, effective organizing leads to improved efficiency, better use of resources, and enhanced overall performance, which is vital for achieving organizational objectives. Describe the role of leadership in management and how it influences employee performance and motivation. Leadership plays a crucial role in management by directing, influencing, and motivating employees to perform essential tasks that contribute to the organization's goals. Good leadership is characterized by the ability to inspire others, create a shared vision, and foster a positive work environment. A key aspect of effective leadership is understanding and addressing the needs of employees. For instance, a manager who recognizes when team members require encouragement or guidance can provide support and motivation, leading to increased morale and productivity. Positive reinforcement, such as praise for a job well done, enhances employee satisfaction and encourages a culture of excellence. Moreover, leaders shape the organizational culture, impacting how employees perceive their work and the company as a whole. By promoting open communication, collaboration, and trust, leaders can cultivate a supportive atmosphere where employees feel valued and motivated to contribute their best efforts. In conclusion, strong leadership is essential for enhancing employee performance and motivation. It directly influences the work environment, shaping employee attitudes and behaviors, ultimately leading to improved organizational outcomes. Analyze the controlling function of management and its essential steps in ensuring organizational effectiveness. The controlling function of management is vital for ensuring that organizational performance aligns with established goals and standards. This process involves three essential steps: establishing performance standards, comparing actual performance against those standards, and taking corrective action when necessary. The first step, establishing performance standards, sets the benchmarks that employees are expected to meet. These standards can be financial, operational, or based on customer satisfaction. For example, a sales team might have a target of achieving a specific sales volume within a quarter. The second step involves comparing actual performance against these established standards. This comparison helps identify any discrepancies between expected and actual outcomes. For instance, if a team is falling short of its sales target, it signals that further investigation is needed to understand the reasons behind the shortfall. Finally, taking corrective action is crucial for addressing any issues identified during the performance comparison. This could involve providing additional training to employees, reallocating resources, or adjusting strategies. Effective controlling relies heavily on accurate data and performance measurement tools, such as financial statements and customer feedback. By following these steps, managers can ensure that the organization stays on track, making necessary adjustments to achieve its objectives and enhance overall effectiveness. Discuss how strategic management connects leadership, entrepreneurship, and organizational planning in driving success. Strategic management is the integrated approach that aligns leadership, entrepreneurship, and organizational planning to drive success. It involves analyzing the organization's position in the market, identifying opportunities, and formulating strategies to leverage those opportunities effectively. Leadership plays a critical role in strategic management by providing direction and vision. Effective leaders inspire their teams to work towards a shared purpose, fostering an environment where innovation can thrive. For example, leaders in entrepreneurial firms focus on identifying new market opportunities and solving problems, driving the organization's purpose and adaptability in a competitive landscape. Entrepreneurship complements strategic management by encouraging a proactive approach to opportunities and challenges. Entrepreneurs are known for their ability to recognize needs and innovate, which is essential for organizations looking to differentiate themselves in the market. This entrepreneurial mindset ensures that the organization remains agile and responsive to change. Finally, organizational planning is crucial for translating strategies into actionable steps. It provides the framework for allocating resources, setting performance standards, and establishing timelines for achieving goals. In conclusion, strategic management serves as the framework that connects leadership, entrepreneurship, and planning, ensuring that organizations are well equipped to navigate the complexities of the business environment and drive sustained success.